Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren says government and armed rebel groups will arrive at peaceful solution in the near future. Lausal asked Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren whether illegal constructions of paddy lands of Haingang constituency after 2014 will be removed or not. And people fondly remember journalist Thangjom Dwisamani alias Nanao on his 7th death anniversary. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitangba Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren inaugurated the College of Agriculture, Horticulture, Agri-Biotechnology, Forestry and Fishery of FIT's group of institutions at Henbung and Kangpokpi district today. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister asserted that the present government has brought mutual understanding and cohesive relationship among communities in the state. He said grievances and issues have been settled through dialogue. Biren assured that a peaceful solution will be arrived between the government and the armed rebel groups of the state in the near future. He stated that extension of inner line permit system has subsided Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest in Manipur. Biren claimed that the CAA protests in other northeast states have also subsided except for the states of Assam and Tripura. He said normalcy is being restored in Assam with its people acknowledging the true concept of the act. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren also announced that Manipur has bagged Krishi Karman Award for Best Performing State in overall food grain production of the year 2017-18. He encouraged farmers to cultivate crops suitable for the state. He also appealed to focus on promotion of agriculture, horticulture and tourism as the state lacks adequate natural resources.
Bharat ki mafam ayambada Irang lay, Northeast Irang lay except Assam go Tripura ganatan. Karigi fully protected. Assam su bhat another begin using naran handagi ing bahore. Assam is indigenous population kanmena begi. Assam a court ki clause 6 hana madu impractical implement orunda. Madu hujigla ilo BJP government madu implement only have the indigenous populations in the protect of journey and Assam su bhat Tripura so almost farakare. I koi gishu achoba sahi tara kun kutra nifu yang kai ta alag la po dama. I koi na trali ba ki mathak he na Bharat Sarkar na pirakre. I koi subo nomrom da mang salasi. Koi Kuki gilam, Maitei gilam, Naka gilam, mai Pangal gilam, matu tong na rasa koi. Wherever we are there. Na koi na lady walam say na koi gilam ni koi gilam ni. Kanaan na mun boy arro deba kanaan na low boy arro deba.
Lausal President M. Churamani has asked Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren whether actions will be taken against encroachment of paddy lands starting from his constituency first. Lausal today inspected the illegal construction of structures on paddy lands of Imphal East, Imphal West and Bishnupur districts on World Farmers' Day today. Speaking on the sidelines, Churamani stated that Lausal appreciated the recent state cabinet's decision to evict encroachments on paddy lands under the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014, but inquired how it will be executed. He wanted to know whether the government will remove structures constructed at Kairang, Ahalob, Haingang, Laipam Kunau paddy fields in the Chief Minister's constituency, Haingang. M. Churamani appealed to the government to be sincere in executing the task. Churamani demanded the government to revoke the state cabinet's decision taken on December 17 to allow new constructions of oil pumps, hospitals and shopping malls on paddy lands. He also urged the government to look into the mushrooming villages in the valley areas.
2014 gi mamangda sagat khibaduna madugi regulate tawrakanda madugi pifam thokpa makhoigi tawfam thokpa tawjagra kasu 2014 gi matungda ngasi phawba leptana hoje ekoina lepi mafam sidaida thonkalaiba leiba thonkalaiba aduga yot khajalliba thariba yumsing aduga sariba thongsing ase leingakna athuba matamda thingnanaba honabiu atamduda semkhiba local level monitoring committee gi complaint DC da SDO da tawbira u haidana leingakki masak naiba executive ki thakta leiba masak naiba mi haibase masing ngasi ge koina tawjari basidi open application ni open complaint ni uriba singse thingbiu aduga hanagi lo ubya ba lofam ohenbiu haiba wafam se thamjage.
People remembered journalist Thangjam Dwizamani alias Nanau on his 7th death anniversary today. It may be recalled that Nanau, a journalist, was shot dead by the police while covering an incident near a dairy farm at his birthplace in Thangmaiban, Sinam Lekai, Cherau, Chingkhong on this day in 2012. Late Dwizamani served as a correspondent of Prime News Channel and a stringer of DDK News Impal during his lifetime. He was covering a protest which turned ugly when protesters set ablaze a truck and police opened fire in an attempt to disperse the agitators. He was shot on the chest during the scuffle and later succumbed to his injuries at RIMS Hospital. Friends and families of Nanau, residents of Thangmaiban Sinam Lekai, many journalists, members of NLC Club and Film Forum Manipur paid floral tributes and observed 2-minute silence at his memorial in Thangmaiban Cherau Chingthak. They also paid candlelight tributes at his memorial in the evening. Health Minister Lampulapam Jayantikumar has advised the people to maintain positivity in the wake of any negative situations to overcome the issue successfully. He was speaking at the annual function of Comet School in Changangai today. Minister Jayantikumar also encouraged students to strive sincerely and dedicatedly in acquiring knowledge to become eminent citizens of the country. Meritorious students of the school were felicitated on the occasion.
Education no syllabus any information that is part of knowledge and that the part of knowledge becomes part of education. At the high when right from your very childhood no academic career low how the Tenaraiba, Kangaiba, Paraiba, or Janata, answering a time yam sing. Mas no Punjilapaganda, Moi Madu Mamayam, information Mayam, no knowledge or propaganda, part of education or Madu, when the Panga Chakipaganda, Matuka empirical knowledge going, and had empirical knowledge when you come out in the society, it's a matured man. Matamdano in Madu Sin propaganda, Madudani, no him, Matikchawa me at an high days.
ICAR Research Complex, North-East Hill Region, Manipur State organized the state-level mushroom exhibition and celebration of National Mushroom Day and Kishan Divas at ICAR Complex in Lamphilpad today. Speaking at the event, Director of Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute, Atari Zone 6, Guwahati, Dr. Anil Kumar Tripathi says, North-East region of India is viable for mushroom cultivation. He also said mushroom cultivation is one of the most profitable agribusiness and large-scale mushroom farming will double farmers' income. Altogether, 20 mushroom stalls were opened at the exhibition. Best stalls in the categories of entrepreneur, organization and Krishi Vigyan Kendra were felicitated at the event. State-level Kisan Mela, which began on December 20, also concluded on the occasion.
China is the largest producer of the mushroom, the largest, and producing 5 million ton of there, where India is 0.13 million ton also there. Now that you find that mushroom is coming, that is household menu also, it is coming. It is becoming becoming popular also there. We see antioxidant, have the medicinal value, load good quantity protein, dietary all together. As far that mushroom cultivation is concerned, is there, the Northeast has a big potential. But only the problem is there, we have to make it that if the excess production will be there, what we are going to do it also there. So we have to assess the demand, internal demand, how much mushroom to cultivate, mushroom production is required.
Proprietor of Benita Mushroom Center, R.K. Benita, bagged the first position for not only producing fresh mushrooms but also producing noodles and cookies made out of mushrooms. She expressed happiness and appreciated ICAR Research Center for organizing the exhibition, stating that some people cannot afford to build mushroom cultivation sheds even though it is profitable business. R.K. Benita urged the relevant department to provide necessary help.
Handaki anobo oina kage mela sin nang nan bagi damak tak kisamaga same mushroom cookies samaga adaga drinks ga anobo oina handaki mela sin nang nan puthok pa gi ban toxlak pa yawi blockade toxlak pa ko suma me asda mushroom fresh mushroom me amse mang dana bagi damak ta karam haina tawraga koi se mushroom ji manghal do gi khalak pa gi wa khalonda sigi me anje puthok ko ne ba koi gi porompata ke EDP program ama su yaujruba adagi solan ICR na solan da koi thabi rega training mushroom training ama su pibiba adugi kanaba mayam do aina handaki saisda phangjare haina na haijage Manipur da mushroom asugam na thai habase koi khangmangam de haba adunga sai exhibition si tawro ko matam dadi kadai da se sida nati mayam ama su lairi bani ko aduna smaina tawro pase yamna phayena haijage.
Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) in a press release clarified that one Irom Thaja, Kondom Thoibi, Ngangom Rosita, Ilangbam Inaubi, Moirangthem Ratan, Sandam Ibomcha, Paungnam Manikanta and Thiam Roshan, who were arrested by Imphal West Commando for their alleged involvement in the recent bomb blast, have no connection whatsoever with RPF and its Red Army wing, PLA. Ziribam MLA nominee Moirangthem Promen has expressed discontentment over the inadequacies of various government departments in Ziribam district. Speaking to media at JNN office in Babupara in Ziribam today, Promen claimed that there are no staffs and employees in some departments upon inspection. Promen appealed to the staffs and employees of the department to maintain their professional ethics. He urged the government to look into the matter without further delay.
I Moirangthem Promen Ziribam 40 AC MLA ki nominee moina MLA ki yathang matungina ina Ziribam da laiba department sing chalaga jengsin jaru matamda Ziribam da laiba department khudingmak infrastructure ta lairamdre awat pagi awat pang tangai ramai amati office sing asida staff sing amata suna lairamde amati awat pe staff sing chitan natana jiri da posting taraba departmental khuding makki staff sing asisu atuba matamda lakbina ba haiduna MLA ki mai kai dagi amati nominee amoina ai mayamda appeal tawjari.
Villages of Uchathol, Bidyanagar, Harinagar, Ningsinghul, Khasipunjia and Lamlain Kunau in Ziribam have strongly opposed to the proposed merger of Uchathol Primary School and Bidyanagar Primary School with another school. Speaking to media at Uchathol Primary School in the presence of many villagers today, advisor of Uchathol Pioneer Club, B. Priyoberta, said that the school was established in 1956 and there are around 30 students at present. He condemned the government for trying to merge the school with new model school at Harinagar instead of providing adequate teachers and infrastructure in the school. B. Priyoberta said ZDO and the local MLA have been given written memorandum about the same. Speaking to media, former member of Harinagar, H. Pobitra, stated that many children from neighboring villages study in the school. He expressed disappointment that the location of the new school is inappropriate.
Sangna sayi humpuga marimuk school si run tawduna laaba ngasi phawbada school sigi ate ekai singsi mapung phana yengsin pidaba aduga school li hauji hauji maksu oza walaga lei oza manga legadabagi manung sida only oza 3 khakne leise oza ahum khak lei asina school si hauji baw run tarlog lei yam wan honi aduga hembadana darkar oragadi akoi gi lei lekai singsi educated person sing koi isilina koi mayam lei aduna oza singsi gi mahut silaga bawba angang singse takpi tambiraga hauji baw lei asu wan hona dana asu sangwa matam lasi akoi pokjinge degi lei raba school sibu hongdokhrani habase tasena koi thamu
model school to ini ana sarhiba aikoina lampi hiba maham masi forest ki labar mayam hormani janthalaga model school salibni adu model school di lingberga bijak bijak anang hing bujara life to mangani hariba masi education department ngau bra adu ki director to ngau bra manipur sarkar kari no mi ki thangnari rajya sing kasar ga thangnari mi goi nagaland thangnari mi ki state ta sum hen to bra moina tinglai ga di school dai oza ohlu oza apha bro.
Students' Union of Kanglei Park, SUK, came across deplorable condition of hostels and boarding homes of various schools in the valley today. SUK volunteers came across classrooms being used as dorm instead of proper dormitory. There were no proper beds, instead boarders were made to sleep on benches and mats. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the inspection visit, SUK Publicity Secretary Thokchom Dolarson said SUK has been carrying out drives to check the condition of hostels, and they have even submitted a memorandum to the Education Minister following a public convention on the issue. He appealed to the authorities concerned to take necessary actions.
Classroom da fak kumba akoi makhara tha mattress kumba tharaga tumhalaga thamanbagi adumba fawa thengnajari masida akoi yamna suki maike dagi yamna nungnangba phongtokchari senda lambi oina khalla kanda school singi chalaiba sing asina satra singbu ka henba fees sing loksalaga makoida pressure magum oina piraga tangai fadana mi khudimak leitabi adi haina force to boga sungbasu thengnajai Manipur chalaiba school boarding sing asigi chana kanglona ma semna bidamak Manipur government taknaba su laikhrabani public discussion ama student union of Kanglei Park sukna sinjaduna pangthoktuna education minister da memorandum fawa pisan khiba laikhre school gi hostel amadi boarding chalaiba asida government na miyeng changbiduna athu amatamda chana kanglon ama puthokpinaba Manipur government gi puning singsinjari.
A team led by Chairman of School Phagat Hansi Mission, MLA D. Korongthang, inspected the new classrooms of Moray Government Higher Secondary School constructed under School Phagat Hansi Mission today. The school is gearing up to start classes from February 2020. Roof works of the school building is completed, but doors and windows are yet to be installed. MLA D. Korongthang instructed the Technopal DC, JDO of Technopal Block and the school principal who were accompanying the MLA to expedite the construction. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected executive members of Manipur University Students' Union. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, administered oath to the newly elected members of Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, for 2019-20 term at the university's court hall today. It may be mentioned that the MUSU election was conducted on December 18. The newly elected members are President M. Bobby, General Secretary K.H. Singhajit, Finance Secretary K.H. Nabakisore, Cultural Secretary K.H. Santosh, Sports Secretary H. Uttam, and 42 class representatives of 42 different departments of the university. Speaking on the sidelines, newly elected President of MUSU, M. Bobby, assured that his team, in association with the university professors, research scholars and students, will strive to include Manipur University in the top 100 universities of the country in the upcoming academic session.
Ranking parameter है the research community and the teaching faculties in मसे teaching faculty and the research community न मकोई की research progress, research work अदगी journal seminar तो इन सिंबा मसी में आमजी तौर गदी कोई की ranking से असुकी मतिक हाइगल कने भी पंदम कोई थाजवले.
Samagra Siksha Secondary Manipur organized a quiz competition for students at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound today. Speaking at the event, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham urged every parent and guardian to nurture their children's extraordinary talents. Winners of the quiz competition and winners of the Kala Utsav Science and Mathematics competition held on December 13 were felicitated on the occasion. For the quiz competition, EK Higher Secondary School won the first place, while second and third place were bagged by Royal Academy Wangching and CC Higher Secondary School, Imphal East. Officials of Education Department, teachers, students and parents attend the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ they are full of talents ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯒꯨꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯌꯤꯡ ꯄꯦꯟꯇꯤꯡ ꯏꯅꯣꯚꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट लेबा अखोई खुदिमक अहल लमन खुदिमक अदुगा समाज लेबे खुदिमक अहल ओइरबा अखोई खुदिमक की थौसी हाई लेवल टैलेंट मयाम जी पुथोअनबा अंगांग सिंगा अदुगी खुदोंग चाबा पिबीबा लमजिंग लमताक पिबा मरम चाना मदुगी सरुक अम ओइना अखोई एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट समग्र शिक्षाना सिंगो कंपटीशन क्यामा तौदुन लाली ngasi phawda अखोइना चलुबा कंपटीशन खुदिमक योगा गिदे खंगदे जगोई इसै गिदे खंगदे लाइक लाइसु गिदे खंगदे इंडिया दा अखोई माइ चोपतना प्राइज दुम फंगदुना लाली
3-day training program on rearing of bees using scientific method kicked off at the conference hall of Central Agricultural University, Kao Iroisemba today. Around 50 beekeepers were participating in the program organized by All India Coordinated Research Project on Honeybees and Pollinators, ICRP, Kao Imphal Center. Speaking on the occasion, Kao Associate Professor Dr. K.H. Ibohol says that apart from honey productions, beekeeping can also improve pollination of garden crops and flowers and produce a bunch of other goods. He said Kao Iroisemba has established an integrated beekeeping development center at the university to facilitate production of various honey products. Dr. K.H. Ibohol appealed to bee farmers to contact Kao Iroisemba when faced with difficulty in marketing their honey produce. Dean of College of Agriculture, Kao Professor S. Indira, and Head of the Department of Agronomy, Kao Professor L. Nabachandra, attended the event.
khoi loiriba mayam sina market leite haiba ki kemte kwaning leite akhoi du yon biro akhoi du yolaga akhoi nang processor ko yon akhoi nang yon thu pa yai prajar mayam da sagi khoi gi kana bisidi khoi gi kana bisidi adu kimate gyam kre hida wena sina ba hadi glucose na khoi mayam na energy hap na ba khoi thak nai se sidai ba khoi gi sina ko sati ji man hele adu gi sum thak ta yerum mamut ohum cha ba ga khoi sama sama thap ga chap mane masi akhoi process ji tha aga di he na kana doine adu sigumba port sim mayam na khoi da yon bi ka na tra mayam na processing charge se khoi 750 grams se process to pa hotani puraga bottling to go yori yare adu mamanjip market ta crude yoliba kg ma da super sanga ware samni ware madudagi henu yon biani
7-day insemination training program for veterinary field staff and private artificial insemination workers held under Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department concluded today. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Dr. H. Chauba, Joint Director Administration, Dr. N.G. Botombi, Deputy Director, Dr. R.K. Khogendra, ICDP Project Officer Dr. K.H. Santibala, and others attended the event held at Intensive Cattle Development Project, ICDP complex in Porompat. Speaking on the occasion, Director Dr. H. Chauba said Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department has started artificial insemination of cows in Manipur with an aim to boost milk productions under the National Artificial Insemination Program initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the mission mode in September 2019. He said that the training program aimed to enlighten field staffs of the department and private artificial insemination workers on the process of artificial insemination. Dr. H. Chauba added that there are adequate frozen semen available at district headquarters and ICDP centers for using in the insemination process. The director appealed to the relevant officials to strive for enhancing milk productions to boost farmers' income. Certificates were distributed to those who completed the training program at the valedictory event.
Frozen cement koi da phange frozen cement je koi district headquarters sing da loin thammi tongan ba ICDP center su koi cement gi bank koi dum thamjari bani pawe haibi baga magi matam chaba matang chaba du da magi irang lakraba matung pung nipan dagina tratruk phaugi marak seista koi ka phau gadong ni matam je hendokra ga su masa su oiroi doi ni tang interior de lebiri balomi sinau sing mar mapang sing state si da sango marang kaina puthokna na bagi koi self sufficiency leina na ba koi gi lomi sing sen thungi pibam phagana na mai damakta masa ka pagi thabak se kang hai department ki loisangi akang hai sing fa sing doctor sing te official mayam si tan biraga masi khudong sa basi lobi.
Our rest home, located at Khurai Thoidingzam Lekhai in Imphal East district, launched its patented a patented handmade herbal shop named Mangal today. CSIR NEIST along with our rest home organized the launching event of CSIR NEIST branch laboratory in Lamphilpat. Senior Principal Scientist of CSIR NEIST branch laboratory, Dr. H. Bir Kumar, Program Executive of All India Radio Imphal, Inudam Achau, and proprietor of Mangal Soap, Jina Kuman, attended the event. Four-day national seminar on Manipuri dance and music organized jointly by Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Imphal and Manipur State Kala Academy Imphal since December 20 concluded today at the auditorium of Jain Manipur Dance Academy. Speaking on the occasion, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that a national-level seminar will further popularize the already famous Manipuri dance and music. 27 research scholars read out papers in the seminar attended by renowned artists and delegates from various art forms. Scholars discussed on different topics including Lai Harauba, Thangta, tribal dance, folk music, Natsankirtan and Ras Leela. Students of Jain Manipur Dance Academy also held an interactive session with the scholars. A dance drama titled Sakuntala, played by the artist of Jain Manipur Dance Academy, was also showcased on the occasion.
We know it, we have our language problem to communicate to the outside of the state. But our artists, our gurus are the excellent in their performing of our culture. And these are the gurus and these are the performers who leads us to the outside the state. And knowing all this fact during our time, including Professor N. Tombi and Professor S. Tombi, during their leadership in our Manipur University, we introduce Manipuri dance and music so that the academic input to our the performance may inculcate and then bring more and more refined patterns and forms of our dance and culture, and that we can display to the audience of the world.
Rup Mahal Theatre held its 76th Foundation Day at its auditorium today. Annual Maitram Bira Award 2019 of Rup Mahal Theatre was conferred upon Laishram Tondon at the event. Floral tributes were also paid to the late artists of the theatre. 28th Rup Mahal Artists Memorial Drama Festival 2019 also kicked off with the performance of Rup Mahal Theatre's play name Mainogi Laisang on the occasion. LDA Chairman cum MLA L. Susindro launched 6 motorboats at Sendra Boating Centre at Loktak Lake today. Thanga MLA T. Robindro, LDA Director L. Bhagaton and many eminent persons attended the event organized by the Loktak Lake Tourism Department Development Society. Tourists were also given free motorboat rides on the occasion. In sports, Anoba Mangal Wangoi defeated Utlo FC by 4-2. Pukrambam FC defeated Ningthokong Nazi FC 5-0 and Maizrao defeated Naran Konjin 1-0 in today's matches of the ongoing First Village Open 7A side soccer tournament. Utlo FC kicked off the tournament on December 15 at Utlo Kangchaibong. League round matches will be played till December 29, round of 16 matches. Quarter-final, semi-final and the final matches will be played by the first week of January next year. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthong Birain says government and armed rebel groups will arrive at peaceful solution in the near future. Losal asked Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren whether illegal constructions of paddy lands of Hengang constituency after 2014 will be removed or not. And people fondly remember journalist Thangjam Dwizamani alias Nanao on his 7th death anniversary.